Hi, I'm Kimberly Behrens, and I'm thrilled to be co-hosting our upcoming Scientist-Educator Workshop series with my dazzling partners, Kendra Newsom, Donnie Newsom, and Nick Behrens. For 20 years, we've been working together to build an organization called Fit Learning, and we've built learning laboratories all over the world. In the context of this work, we've really devised a model for educators to actually function like scientists in education settings and also in private settings. And we've refined something we like to call the new technology of teaching. And so this workshop series that we're so honored and thrilled to be partnering with Praxis to provide to you is really our means of bringing our mission to life, which is the transformation of educational practices on the planet, such that they are guided by behavioral science. And although we've done, a lot of work in this area in private settings, our new kind of goal for the future is really trying to make this accessible to all educators and really all practitioners around the world so that you can build more science into your ongoing practice. So, this workshop series is really targeted for teachers, anyone in educational administration, other types of practitioners, speech language pathologists, occupational therapists, really anyone who's in the business of changing human behavior and trying to get kids or humans to learn stuff. This workshop is really designed for you. So the main components of the workshop really will center around this technology of teaching and how to act like a scientist educator. And so the components of the technology of teaching really entail something called precision teaching, which is really how you measure learning and ensure that mastery has actually occurred. And then something called direct instruction, which is really how you go about teaching conceptual understanding to promote mastery of more complicated concepts. And then there's an assessment methodology we use called curriculum-based measurement. We'll be introducing you to that and how to build that into your practice so that you can more effectively monitor global progress towards a more long-term goal you may have in the context of your day-to-day work with the people you're working with. And then finally, we kind of wrap this all together by introducing you into something called relational frame theory, which don't get scared. And many of you who know Praxis are familiar with that term. But we'll talk about how we build RFT into instruction and also how we build ACT, or acceptance and commitment therapy, into our work with learners as a mean to create a context for kind of the whole being shifting and becoming more coachable, more power, and really more empowered in their lives. So we're just so thrilled to be working together with Praxis to bring this to you, and we look forward to it, and we really encourage you to register and sign up to be a part of this. It's a 4-part workshop series, so we'll be doing this once a week throughout the month of April. And each of us, myself, Kendra, Donnie, and Nick, will all be leading different sessions. So we plan to make it really fun and dynamic, letting you bring some of your relevant issues that you deal with learners you may be working with into the session, such that you can be using those kind of more relevant issues for you and practicing how to devise better strategies to make more rapid gains with the people you work with. So 4-part workshop, we're thrilled to be doing this. There is some recommended reading that we've already put on the registration page that we really encourage you to check out. There's a lot of references listed there. If you want to do some kind of preparation before the workshop, it'll help you get more oriented to what we're going to be talking about so that you're really able to get the most out of it. So we're really thrilled to be doing this. Thanks so much to Praxis for making this happen, and we look forward to seeing you in April.